So the next one is y less than minus 2. Okay, y less than minus 2. So we will take the equation y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. If I want to do the table, the equation is y is equal to minus 2. That means when x takes the value 0, y is minus 2. When x takes the value 1, y is minus 2. When x takes the value 2, y is minus 2. When x takes the value 10, y is minus 2. Whatever value x takes, the value of y remains the same. It is minus 2. Then can you plot the point 0, minus 2? Where will be, before that I will mark the point 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is positive 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Here it is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So x, x dash, y, y dash, everything must be marked, and also O. So y minus 2, 0 minus 2 is the first point, isn't it? 0 minus 2 will be 0 minus 2. Next point is 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2. Okay, when x takes the value 2, again y is minus 2. So 2 minus 2. So if I draw the plot, means join these lines, what will be the, how will be the graph? It will be a straight line, obviously passing through the y-axis, passing through the point y equal to minus 2, which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, y equal to minus 2 is a line through the point minus 2, which is parallel to x-axis. Same way, if I want to find y equal to 2, how will be the line? It will be a line through the point 2, which is parallel to x-axis. Suppose I need to draw the line x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Where should I draw? X equal to 3 means this point, isn't it? So I have to draw a line passing through the point 3, which is parallel to y-axis. If y equal to 3, we have to draw the line parallel to x-axis, and if x equal to 3, we have to draw the line parallel to y-axis. So even without drawing the table, whenever you see an equation like this, take the point y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2 is here. Without plotting the points, you can just draw the line parallel to x-axis through the point minus 2. Okay. Since the inequality is less than, we have to use the dotted line, and we will write the equation y is equal to minus 2. Again, this line divides it into two, one to the topmost of the line, and the second one to the bottom part. Where will be the point, or where will be the solution? Take the inequality. The inequality is y less than minus 2. So if I put the value of x and y as 0, no x is there in the inequality. So put the value of y as 0. So 0 less than minus 2. Is it correct? 0 is a number less than minus 2. No, this inequality is wrong, isn't it? That means, where should we shade? The solution region will be the region where the point 0, 0 does not lie. The region where point 0, 0 lies is the upper half of the line, isn't it? And here we need the solution in which 0, 0 does not lie. That means the solution will be the region towards the down portion of the line. So shade the region to show that it is a solution. Okay, so this is a solution. Don't forget to draw the line using a dotted line. Okay, when it is either less than or greater than.